Okay, let's talk about India specifically, and of course we had quite a few numbers that came out over the weekend, and two that really stood out, a Godrej Consumer as well as Ultratech. And to break down what those numbers mean for us, we've got Navneet Saluja joining in from our research desk. Navneet, morning. You know, a good strong top line growth is what we saw for both these companies, and for Godrej Consumer additionally we had the news about Temasek that's going to be investing in the company.
That's right, Megha. Good morning. There were a lot of announcements which Godrej Consumer made when the results came on Saturday. Well, there would be a press conference again. However, if you look at the numbers, they were above the street estimates. The net sales for the company grew up by almost 36%, coming in at 1376 crore rupees, and the profits for the company also grew by almost 41%, with EBITDA growth of 60%. And if you look at the EBITDA margins, they expanded by almost 290 basis points. So good expansion coming in there. And if you look at the other factors, like other income grew up by almost 6 times, coming in at 18 crore rupees, and interest in financial charges, that was a major stress seen in the numbers because that grew by almost 120% there, and the tax expense also grew up by 96% for the third quarter. And if you look at the sales growth from the Indian subcontinent business, that was at 20%, and the international business for the company grew up by almost 30%. And the other announcement which were made by the company were Singapore Temasek would be investing around 685 crore in the company, whereby the company would be issuing almost 16.7 million shares to Battery Investment Mauritius, based at around 410 rupees per share. And remember, Battery Investment is Temasek's directly owned company. And the second announcement which came was the company would be acquiring 60% stake in Cosmetica for an undisclosed amount. We'll get more details on that when the company has its press conference at 10 o'clock today. Well, the other number from the cement major was Ultratech.